you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update software. Ensure that your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and effects. This can help the Steam Deck run games more smoothly. Step 3. Enable performance mode. Switch to performance mode to prioritize frame rates over battery life. Go to Settings, select Performance, and choose the performance mode option. This will optimize the system for better gaming performance. Step 4. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and exit any games or apps that are not in use. This frees up system resources for your current game. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If it gets too hot, performance may suffer. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad if needed. Maintaining a cooler temperature can help prevent thermal throttling. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in frame stuttering on your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming experience.